Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. Have you tried resetting your PC but you couldn't find the recovery environment or the option in your Windows? Then today I'll teach you how. So what happened exactly is when you open your settings, okay, let me just type settings at the bottom search bar and click on open. Okay. So when you go for the Windows update, which is next to privacy and security, click on it and find the recovery, which is here at the advanced options. Click on it. Okay. And when you go for recovery, which is in the additional options tab, click on it and go for reset this PC. The moment you click on reset PC and choosing this option, which is keep my files, removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. You will get an error here. You will not be able to see any of the recovery environment here. Now, in order to do a recovery, I'll teach you step. Okay? So the very first thing that we need to do is we need to plug in your flash drive or USB drive. Okay? Once done, just have to search for create a recovery at the search bar. Okay? So this best match will appear. Create a recovery drive. Click on open. And the moment you click on it, your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you will be redirected here in this recovery drive window. Okay, so here it says even if your PC can start, you can use a recovery drive to reset it or troubleshoot problems. If you back up system files to this drive, you'll also be able to use it to reinstall Windows. So make sure that you have a flash drive. Make sure that it has a lot of gigabyte of data so that you'll be able to recover all the files, the important files, and might as well reset your PC. Just simply click on next. And here, just have to wait until the process is done. Okay? So once done, you can use your flash drive as your recovery drive when you reset your PC. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.